Ready to install your XFORT UPVC offset pad handle? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Follow these simple steps and you'll have your new handle up and running in no time. Let's get started. All you need is a screwdriver. Your XFORT UPVC handle comes with everything else for a hassle-free fit. Make sure the door is open and stable so you can work comfortably. We're working with the Euro double cylinder today, but if you have a Euro thumb turn cylinder, check out our video on how to install a Euro thumb turn cylinder. Now, let's get started. Remove your screws, you'll find them in the internal handle plate. Now, gently pull off the exterior handles from the door. Give the door and lock a quick look for any damage or debris. Give it a quick clean so the handle fits perfectly. Measure the distance between the screw holes and check the spindle size to ensure the new handle fits perfectly. And one last thing, always install the screws on the internal side of the door for your own safety and peace of mind. Slide one spindle through the lock mechanism from the outside of the door and the other from the internal side of the door. Make sure the exterior handle lines up with the spindle and screw holes, then gently pop into place. Now, do the same with the interior handle and give both handles a quick check to make sure they're sitting together just right. Almost there. Use the screws provided to secure the interior handle. Tighten them enough to hold everything firmly, but don't over tighten. No one likes a cracked door handle. If your handles are perfectly aligned, give them a whirl. Open and close the door a few times to check it's working smoothly. If something feels off, like stiffness or harsh turning, you need to loosen or tighten the screws slightly. Test the lock to make sure everything works perfectly with the new handle. And one final check to ensure all screws are snug and secure. And just like that, you're all set. Installing your XFORT UPVC pad handle was quick and easy. Nice work. Thanks for choosing XFORT for your hardware needs. For more installation tips and home improvement know-how, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to visit our website. Your first purchase comes with 10% off.